Hello, in this video I want to show you how to establish or create a mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings on Android 13. So I'm using Google Pixel phone that has Android 13, and on this device it might work different than the others. So if you don't have options same as in this phone, it might be because the options are just different. So now let's open up our settings, and right here usually you can find mobile hotspot in the network and internet. On other devices there might be sharing setting that also has this mobile hotspot, and also you can scroll down your notification bar, scroll down again, and here find mobile hotspot as it should be somewhere. If it's not here, you can also click on this pen button. It will reveal more icons, and you can add any icons like for example mobile hotspot right here. And now if we go back, we should see it, and you can turn on or off like this. You can also hold your finger onto it, and that way you'll enter mobile hotspot settings manually, and it will send you there. But now let's go for network and internet, here, and then find the mobile hotspot and tethering. So here's a Wi-Fi hotspot, that's where most of the settings are. There's also USB tethering, and the basic usage of it is that you connect your device with a USB to another device, usually computer or laptop, and that way you can use your network internet as on your PC. There's also Bluetooth tethering, and that way you can connect any Bluetooth devices and give them internet and Ethernet tethering. So if you have Ethernet cable that is able to connect to your device and any other, you can also use it to share your internet. But now let's enter Wi-Fi hotspot. We can enable or disable it like this. But here's the settings. So first one is mobile hotspot name, and here you can pick how the name that it will be visible for other devices. So let's call it hard net 1. Okay. There's a security certificate which you can pick. There's VPA2, VPA2 by VPA3, and VPA3 or none. So if you pick any of the VPA, you can add a password for your internet. If you pick none, that way your mobile hotspot will work without a password. I would recommend using VPA2 by VPA3 as it gives you best protection to your mobile hotspot. You can turn off hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. And what that means, if you enable your mobile hotspot and there's no devices connected to it for there's no specified time, but probably 15 to 10 minutes, it will turn off automatically just to save the battery or internet on your device. There's extended compatibility, and it helps other devices find this hotspot, increases battery usage. So it works on some older devices. It helps them to connect to your mobile hotspot. So in other devices you might have different settings like 5G or any other, but on this devices that's it. So be sure to check our other videos on Wi-Fi hotspot, as there we explain on how they work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.